The Art of Conversational Transformation. Mastering WH Questions in Reported Speech. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive into an interesting aspect of English grammar, specifically the reported speech, also known as indirect speech. We're going to zoom in on reporting WH questions. This video is designed to help intermediate learners, but beginners and advanced learners may also find it useful. So, let's dive in. Reported speech is when we tell someone else what another person said. For instance, John said that he was tired. But how about when the original speech was a question, especially a WH question? Let's find out. First, what are WH questions? These are questions that begin with words like who, what, where, when, why, and how. For example, where is the library? Or, why is the sky blue? Now, we're at the heart of our topic, transforming direct to indirect speech. How do we report a WH question? In direct speech, the WH question might be, he asked, what is your name? In reported speech, we would say, he asked what my name was. Notice that we removed the quotation marks, we changed your to my, and we moved was to the end. Here are the steps for this transformation. 1. Remove the quotation marks. What is your name? Becomes, what is your name? 2. Change the pronouns as necessary. What is your name? Becomes, what is my name? 3. Switch the verb to the end. What is my name? Becomes, what my name is. Now let's practice. Direct. Where do you live? Becomes reported. He asked where I lived. Direct. When is her birthday? Becomes reported. She asked when her birthday was. Direct. Why are you late? Becomes reported. He asked why I was late. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it. Mastering reported speech, specifically reporting WH questions, can be a great asset to your English language skills. You're now able to transform direct speech to indirect speech when dealing with WH questions, making your English conversations more varied and natural. I hope you found this lesson helpful. As always, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!